Okay, I think we're coming to the end of this rinse now. It's quite sudsy. And there's quite a lot of absorbance now within the clothes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, please do. And I want to try and at least reach 100 subscribers by next week, if that's okay. I've done my research in other competitors as well, so I'm hoping to get at least 1000 by 2022. But even if I got to 100,000 by 2 years, that would be bloody fantastic. Is the washer gonna struggle on this spin? It's fairly balanced. I need to give this window clean. It's quite balanced looking at the seal there. I think it might do a sublock as well. It's only got 21 minutes to go. You can hear it clogged up in the sublock, can't you? It's there, the sublock. On the last rinse it's softer and that always dissolves suds as well if you didn't already know. You can still hear it all clogged up in here. Just try and open that. No, I'm not going to open that. I just saw something come up when I just pulled it a bit then. Very sub to that. Try and make clean that. You see the suds there? Very sud to that. It's just gone straight going round now.